Tropic update at 7:30 p.m. PST. What can I say? Melissa got his car absolutely destroyed going over the island of Jamaica today. It went from 892 to 953 millibars. It actually went to 95 knots from 170, I mean, plus knots. I mean, abs- I mean, that's pretty sad. But since it has moved back over water, it's looking a lot better as we formed its eye. I you know, a case could maybe be made with a Cat 2, maybe 85 knots upon reaching the water. But maybe enough to justify a major now. Who knows? Maybe 100, 105. And I think it will be strengthened to maybe borderline Cat 4 by the time it reaches Cuba t- t- tomorrow night. Um, Here is the track, and it will reach the Bahamas by late Wednesday and Thursday, then uh, Bermuda by early Friday, and out to sea becoming extra travel on 96 hours, um, which is in line with the models, as you can see. Clearly, I mean, maybe for the next 12 to 24 hours we could have some strengthening, but then we're going to have definite weakening longer term. Um, yeah. The sun is gone. I mean, it's a remnant low. We got to stop talking about it. Yeah, here's pretty much the recon data. You know, I I think it could take out a Cat 4 again by the time it reaches. I mean, Cuba. By then it will be knocked down and probably the conditions just get less favorable as it in the Atlantic. Definitely. It caused quite a bit of damage. I mean, let's be honest. I mean, severe flooding, quite a bit of damage throughout the island of Jamaica today. Look at that. I mean, that's quite a bit of damage. Look at that. No, it definitely caused some Cat 5 damage. Yeah, yeah, in Black River. Total destruction. Um, see if we can load anything. Yeah, it says rebuild its core. The core on the NW shows a pronounced outflow banding, and I saw it said it's likely it will regain Cat 4 once. I mean, maybe. Yeah, it caused a shit ton of damage in Jamaica. I mean, back River Akron Church. Built in the 1700s, gone. Was Christian in that church. Gone. Look at that damage. Well, that is the kind of damage this hurricane caused. Damn. Major flooding is time to do Cuba. Look at that flooding, Jesus Christ, caused by this storm already. It hasn't even made landfall there. Yeah, causing tornadoes on Cuba. And back up to 7.3. I mean, damn. I think it's definitely going to regain Cat. Almost certainly going to gain Cat 4 for Cuba. I think conditions will be less favorable in the Atlantic. And I mean, Cuba, Eastern Cuba is much worse for a system than Jamaica is. Let's be honest. Damn. That devastation. Yeah, it certainly looks like a Cat 5 to me. Let's see if what we has found. 73 so far. Let's go here. Look at Recon. Yeah, it hasn't made it to center yet. It's gonna take another pass. As you can see, I mean, it's not exactly impressive. Um, let's see what the last one made. Mm, it certainly hasn't been that impressive. Wow. Historic, I will say this much. Don't know why everything has to be so slow right now, but it is. Yeah, reorganized, re-strengthening, and that's it has a little bit of time to become a Cat 4 again. Shame he doesn't post any of the observations. Let's see. Yeah, you can definitely see the front right here, low pressure system, the trough, and it's going to move northeastward along this. Well, that's what we have for now, I guess.